Hi, I'm Dawn Sullivan.
Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
Hi, my name is Samantha Sullivan, and today I'm going to talk to you about the effects of plastic on our environment in a speech entitled Plastic, a Convenient Way to Kill. First, I'd like for you to picture yourself on a beach and you see out in the distance a sea turtle. You get super excited, you run up to it, and then you notice something upsetting. You see that the sea turtle has a straw hanging from its nose and it's bleeding. You attempt to help the sea turtle, but you notice that you're causing more pain. But what if I told you this all could have been avoided with a few preventative measures? I'm a supporter of reducing, reusing, and recycling to help our environment. I use these recycling and reusing measures every day in my daily life, and I'm an avid animal lover, so this topic is very important to me. Today I'm going to provide you with 3 simple steps that will help you decrease your everyday single-use plastic amount that we use every day. Step number 1 is to replace single-use straws. Step number 2 is replace single-use plastic grocery bags. And step number 3 is to replace Ziploc baggies. Then we'll discuss a little bit about the environmental effects of plastic on our environment. So the environment we live in today is being deeply affected by plastic in a very negative way. In fact, the average American throws away approximately 185 pounds of plastic per year, and over half of that amount is from single-use plastics alone. Perhaps the most common single-use plastic we come into contact with is straws, commonly found at fast food restaurants. Recently, Kickstarter.com has been raising funds for the first ever reusable and collapsible straw called Final Straw, as you can see here. On average, Americans use nearly 500 million straws per day, which averages out to about 1.6 straws per person per day. Straws are not recyclable and not reusable, and they're not able to decompose. And due to them being so lightweight, they often end up in areas around landfills that they should not be, commonly affecting wildlife. The Final Straw is a product that can be taken anywhere due to it being collapsible and able to fit in a keychain. This product is only $20 and can be used for the rest of someone's life, meaning that it can save over 365 straws per year with this single product. By replacing these many straws per year, you can rest assured knowing that your $20 is making a huge difference in the environment. In addition to straws, grocery bags are a very common single-use plastic we use every day. Plastic bags are one of the most common types of litter and are very dangerous to the environment. These types of bags are commonly found clogging up waterways, which can affect our own water supplies as well as affecting water quality due to plastic contamination. Lastly, grocery bags are commonly found within the stomachs of land and sea animals, which ultimately can lead to wildlife illness and even death. Going back to the sea turtle example, according to ReuseThisBag.com, a website that aims to increase reusable grocery bag use, floating plastic shopping bags can be mistaken as jellyfish by marine animals that consume them. Sea turtles, as well as other many types of sea life, face extinction due to digesting them. Another very common type of single-use plastic bag is Ziploc baggies, which many Americans use every single day. Ziploc baggies can be easily replaced by plastic Tupperware. Ziploc baggies are also similar to grocery bags in that they are so lightweight they often end up outside of landfills. Plastic containers, although that they're also plastic, they are reusable, rewashable, and if kept taken care of nicely, they can last you the rest of your life. By using plastic containers, you can also save money because you're not having to buy Ziploc baggies every few weeks. All 3 of these single-use plastic items have been discussed on how they can influence our environment, but just how bad is our plastic use? Not only is plastic affecting wildlife and our environment in a negative way, it's starting to take an effect on human health. By 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans if we don't find a way to decrease plastic use. Due to the high amounts of plastic accumulating in our environment, it's a no-brainer that humans are starting to get affected. 93% of Americans aged 6 or older test positive for BPA, which is a plastic chemical. Some of these compounds found in plastic have been found to alter hormones even have potential human health effects. So if helping conserve wildlife in our environment doesn't convince you to decrease plastic use, perhaps knowing your own health on the line will help you change your ways. So there are so many quick and easy ways to decrease your plastic use, starting with replacing straws, replacing plastic grocery bags, and getting rid of Ziploc baggies. We also learned about the environmental effects and the effects that Americans have to face every day due to plastic use. In review, our wildlife environment is something that we should be living with in peace and harmony, but instead we're hurting due to all of our plastic use. So by using these 3 simple steps, you can have a big effect on our environment. So going back to the sea turtle example, next time you're walking on the beach, maybe you'll just see a happy sea turtle without a straw stuck in its nose. Thank you so much.